pretty cool. It's Friday, end of the day. We've got the red interior, 17 GT. We have the red, the white, and more importantly, the blue. I have Doug with me today. We're gonna look at this car. We're gonna check out the engine. We're gonna make a dyno pull. If you haven't, please subscribe it. Notify to stay up to date on cool videos like this. But while I'm standing up here, Doug, we might as well check out the engine. So we have the blue Stage 2 Whipple Supercharger kit. So the Stage 2 kit, we have the larger fuel injectors. Of course, it's intercooled. The big 132 millimeter throttle body, 3.75 pulley. We also installed headers. It's got the free-flowing exhaust, oil pump gears and sprocket. Cooling, I love cooling, so we have the large radiator, rear cylinder head cooling kit, as well as a Kohler thermostat. Car sounds sick, car's really fast on the street. I drove it, I love it a lot, can't wait to make it pull, so hey, why not get to it? I will leave links in the description of all the parts I just told you about, so you can read more about them. And of course, like always, email quote@brenspeed.com to find out what this costs to get installed on your Mustang. But enough of that, let's get to it. Let's check it out. Here we go. 678 real horsepower. This is 7,400 RPM. This is SAE in our dyno jet. Torque came in at 534 at 4,400 RPM. And of course, right now, wide open throttle. By 3,000, I'm over 500 all the way across the board. So I'm stoked about that because if you look at this car over here, Doug, this has some really heavy, wide wheels on the back. And that does typically lower your dyno number. So I was thinking maybe I might not be able to get right there. So there's decent air today, so I was cool with 6/9 of the tires. And hey, one other cool thing about this car right here, you watch these videos very often, check this out. Hood struts, finally a car with hood struts. So many of these got the prop rod on there. I'm always trying to go around the engine compartment and work our way around the prop rod, so awesome, good job. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed, thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have questions. Again, don't forget to subscribe and notify, see cool videos like this. Have a good weekend.